So now we'll continue towards the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Chemicals means internal chemical properties of metals and non-metals. So now in this we'll study the reactions of metals and non-metals with various substances. Okay, so the first chemical property is the reaction of metals and non-metals with oxygen. The reaction of metals and non-metals with oxygen. So now let us see what happens when metals reacts with oxygen. So when metals react with oxygen, they form metal oxides. I repeat, when metals react with oxygen, they form metal oxide. You can see the reaction. When any metal react with oxygen, they form metal oxides. Okay. So now if we want to check the nature of a substance, that whether it is acidic or basic, we can use litmus paper test. You have studied in class 7th about litmus test. So if we want to check the nature of this metal oxide formed, whether it is acidic in nature or basic in nature, so what we will do, we will test the litmus paper. So what will happen, metal oxides turn red litmus paper into blue. Metal oxides turn red litmus paper into blue, and the substances which turn red litmus paper to blue are basic in nature. Therefore metal oxides are basic in nature. You'll understand much better by the example. We have done the activity of burning magnesium ribbon in class 7th. So when we burn magnesium ribbon in the presence of air, that is oxygen, magnesium oxide is formed. When we burn magnesium ribbon in the atmosphere in the presence of oxygen, magnesium oxide is formed. This is the reaction. Mg, symbol for magnesium, plus O2 gives MgO, magnesium oxide. This magnesium oxide turns red litmus paper into blue. So it turns red litmus into blue, so it is basic in nature. Okay. Another example is rusting of iron. Iron, Fe, symbol of iron is Fe, plus oxygen. Oxygen is O2 and water. It reacts with oxygen and water to forms Fe2O3.XH2O. This is the formula for rust. Okay. So we can conclude that metals react with oxygen. All metals react with oxygen to form basic oxides. The oxides of the metal are basic in nature.